Have you ever wondered if there's a natural way to improve your vision without relying on glasses or contact lenses? In a world dominated by technology, problems like blurry vision, eye strain, and eye diseases are on the rise. However, Barbara O'Neill, a natural health expert, has discovered simple and effective methods that can transform your eye health. Today, we'll explore exercises, habits, and natural remedies that will not only improve the health of your eyes, but also help you protect your vision in the long run. If you're ready to discover how to see the world with renewed eyes, stick with us. For cataracts and glaucoma, castor oil is one of those has unique properties that can help treat problems like cataracts. How does it work? Castor oil has an exceptional ability to penetrate deep into tissues and dissolve abnormal formations, such as cataracts, which are usually. Barbara O'Neill's proposal is simple but effective. Eye tissues, promoting better overall health. Clarity, and even a reduction in glaucoma symptoms such as elevated eye pressure. Castor oil also has anti-inflammatory properties, making for inflamed eyes. Many people dismiss it thinking it can be harsh on the eyes, but Barbara O'Neill assures us. In fact, this oil is one of the few oils that can penetrate deep into tissues without causing irritation or side effects. Additionally, its rich composition of essential layer of protection against the environmental damage our eyes face every day. One of the reasons why this remedy castor oil is easy to find and you don't need to spend a fortune on eye drops or expensive. It's always advisable to talk to a healthcare professional before starting. The most interesting thing about this approach is how it connects the idea of self-care with the simplicity that sometimes the most effective solutions don't come from a lab, but from resources that have been at our fingertips all along. If you suffer from cataracts, glaucoma, or simply want to keep your eyes healthy, with dedication and patience, this small. Number 2, Herbal Eye Wash to soothe and strengthen your eyes. If you've ever felt your eyes dry, irritated, or tired after a long day in front of the screen, you know how uncomfortable it can be. But what you may not know is that a simple eye wash made with herbs can be the natural solution you need. Barbara O'Neill specifically recommends a mixture of golden seal and eyebright, two herbs known for their soothing and regenerative properties. These plants not only relieve eye irritation, but can also help with more serious problems like glaucoma. Preparing this eye wash is very simple. You just need to mix half a teaspoon of each herb with a cup of boiling water. Once the mixture has cooled, strain it carefully to make sure there are no particles left that could irritate your eyes. Then, use this solution to wash your eyes twice a day, preferably in the morning and before bed. This little ritual not only instantly refreshes your eyes, but also helps cleanse and soothe eye tissues. Golden seal and eyebright are known to be anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, which makes them ideal for combating irritation caused by dust, pollen, or even prolonged use of contact lenses. In addition, these herbs have antioxidant compounds that can protect your eyes from free radical damage, which is one of the leading causes of age-related eye diseases. This approach not only relieves immediate symptoms, but also acts as a preventative measure to keep your eyes healthy in the long term. One of the most notable advantages of this remedy is how accessible it is. You don't need to invest in expensive eye drops or undergo invasive treatments. All you need are these herbs, which you can easily find in health food stores or online. And best of all, this remedy is completely natural, which means you can avoid the chemicals and preservatives often found in commercial eye care products. If you're someone who spends long hours in front of the computer, this eye wash can be a game changer. Not only will it help you reduce eye strain, but it will also provide you with a moment of pause and self-care in your daily routine. Imagine ending your day with a soothing ritual that not only refreshes your eyes, but also improves your overall well-being. This is the type of habit that not only benefits your eye health, but also reminds you of the importance of taking care of yourself holistically. Number 3. Sunlight and its effect on your eyes. The role of sunlight in our eye health is a topic that is often overlooked, especially since we are constantly warned about the dangers of looking directly at the sun. However, Barbara O'Neill explains that adequate exposure to sunlight can be incredibly beneficial for your eyes. How does it work? Sunlight stimulates neurochemical pathways between the eyes and the brain, strengthening this connection and improving the overall health of your eyes. The key is in how you expose yourself to the sun. It's not about looking directly at the sun, but about allowing its rays to reach your eyes indirectly. A simple way to do this is to go outside, close your eyes, and let the sun shine through your eyelids for about 10 to 20 seconds. This simple exercise can be a powerful tool for reducing light sensitivity and improving your eye's ability to adapt to different light levels. In addition to strengthening the connection between the eyes and the brain, sunlight also stimulates the production of serotonin and vitamin D, two essential compounds for overall health and emotional well-being. Serotonin, known as the happiness hormone, can help reduce stress, while vitamin D is crucial for maintaining bone health and preventing diseases like age-related macular degeneration. One of the biggest benefits of this approach is that it doesn't require special equipment or expensive investments. All you need is an outdoor space and a few minutes of your time. However, it's important to take precautions. If you have sensitive eyes, you can start with shorter periods of exposure and gradually increase them as your eyes adjust. This simple habit not only improves the health of your eyes, but also promotes a more balanced lifestyle connected to nature. In a world where we spend more and more time in front of screens, going outside and enjoying natural light can be a refreshing and revitalizing change. So next time you're feeling tired or stressed, consider taking a short break in the sun. Your eyes and your mind will thank you. Number 4. Exercises to strengthen eyesight. Our eyes, like any other muscle in the body, need exercise to stay strong and flexible. Barbara O'Neill proposes a simple but highly effective exercise that involves bouncing while alternating your focus between near and far objects. This movement not only strengthens the eye muscles, but also improves blood and oxygen circulation to the eyes. The exercise is easy to perform. You just need a trampoline or a space where you can bounce gently. While you jump, choose a nearby object and a distant one to focus your eyes on. Switch your focus between these 2 points every 10 seconds. Do this exercise for about 5 minutes a day and you will notice how your eyes begin to feel stronger and less tired. This type of eye training is especially useful in a world where we spend so much time in front of screens. Constantly looking at the same distance, like at a monitor, can weaken eye muscles and make it harder to focus at different distances. This exercise counteracts that effect, helping your eyes quickly adapt to changes in distance and improving your ability to focus. In addition to strengthening muscles, this exercise promotes circulation, which is crucial for maintaining healthy eye tissues. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your eyes, helping them stay hydrated and functioning optimally. This can reduce dry eyes, irritation, and eye strain, common problems in our digital age. The most appealing aspect of this exercise is that it's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You don't need expensive equipment or a lot of time to do it. Even if you don't have a trampoline, you can achieve similar results by simply bouncing gently in place. This small effort can make a big difference in your eye health, giving you clearer vision and more relaxed eyes. Number 5. Diet. The most underrated secret. The relationship between diet and eye health is a topic that is often overlooked, but Barbara O'Neill insists that what you eat has a direct impact on the clarity and strength of your vision. A balanced diet rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats can protect your eyes from disease and improve your vision in the long run. This approach not only benefits your eyes, but also promotes overall well-being. Protein is essential for eye health because the tissues in your eyes, including muscles and cell membranes, are largely made up of protein. Barbara O'Neill recommends incorporating plant-based proteins like legumes, nuts, and seeds into your daily diet. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, almonds, and chia seeds not only nourish your eyes, but also improve your energy and concentration. Fiber is equally important, as it helps reduce inflammation in the body, including inflammation that can affect your eyes. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are excellent sources of fiber. Maintaining a healthy digestive system also contributes to better circulation and the elimination of toxins, which directly benefits your eyes. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, olive oil, and seeds, are essential for keeping eyes hydrated and well lubricated. These fats help prevent dry eyes and reduce the risk of conditions like dry eye syndrome. Even a small amount daily, like a handful of nuts or a tablespoon of olive oil, can make a big difference. Incorporating foods rich in antioxidants such as berries and leafy green vegetables is also key. These foods protect your eyes from free radical damage and the blue light emitted from screens. Making small changes to your diet may seem like a minor detail, but the cumulative benefits are immense. Your eyes will thank you with clearer vision and fewer daily discomforts. Taking care of your eyes doesn't have to be complicated. With simple exercises, adequate sun exposure, natural remedies like castor oil, and a balanced diet, you can strengthen your vision and reduce eye problems. Now that you know these tips, it's time to put them into practice. Your eyesight will thank you. And remember that every small change adds up to big results. If you like this content and want to learn more about improving your health naturally, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. See you soon.